Oil is one of those substances that quietly sits at the center of modern life, often unnoticed despite its overwhelming presence. It powers engines, preserves food, fuels industries, and even plays a role in cosmetics and medicine. From crude oil pulled from deep beneath the earth to plant-based oils extracted from seeds and fruits, this slippery, versatile material has become indispensable. The question is not simply why oil is useful, but why it appears in so many different forms across so many industries. The answer lies in its unique combination of chemical properties, adaptability, and abundance. Right here on History of Simple Things. Oil is primarily made of hydrocarbons, molecules built from hydrogen and carbon. This simple structure makes it highly flexible. These molecules can be broken apart, rearranged, or combined into new forms, creating everything from fuels to plastics. Oil also does not mix with water, which makes it useful for waterproofing and protection. Its thickness can vary widely, allowing it to be tailored for different uses. Some oils flow easily while others are thick and sticky, depending on their structure. Another key trait is its high energy content. The bonds in hydrocarbons store significant energy, which explains why oil is such an effective fuel and a valuable raw material. Oil is widely used as fuel, including gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. These forms of energy power transportation systems around the world. Oil's ability to release energy efficiently makes it especially useful in engines. It is also relatively easy to store and transport. Pipelines, tankers, and fuel stations make distribution practical on a large scale. This convenience has helped oil remain a dominant energy source. Beyond transportation, oil is used in some forms of electricity generation and industrial processes. While alternatives are growing, oil still plays a major role in global energy systems. Oil is not just burned for energy. It is also transformed into countless materials through refining and chemical processing. Petrochemicals, which are derived from oil, form the basis of plastics, synthetic fibers, and many everyday products. Plastic, for example, begins as crude oil that is broken down into smaller molecules like ethylene and propylene. These molecules are then reassembled into long chains called polymers, which can be molded into everything from packaging to electronics. The adaptability of these materials comes from the flexibility of oil's chemical structure. Synthetic fabrics such as polyester and nylon also originate from oil. These materials are valued for their durability, resistance to wrinkles, and ability to be produced at scale. Without oil, many of the lightweight, affordable materials that define modern manufacturing would not exist. Oil is highly effective at reducing friction. It forms a thin layer between moving surfaces, allowing them to slide smoothly. This makes it essential in engines and machinery. It also protects surfaces by blocking moisture and air, helping prevent rust and corrosion. This is especially important in industrial equipment that must last over time. In everyday life, oils serve similar purposes. Cooking oils prevent sticking, while skincare products use oils to protect and retain moisture. Plant-based oils, such as olive or coconut oil, are widely used in cooking. They provide essential nutrients and help carry flavors, making them central to many cuisines. Oils are also used in food production to improve texture and extend shelf life. They help keep foods moist and enhance overall quality. In personal care, oils are valued for their ability to moisturize and dissolve ingredients. This makes them common in lotions, creams, and other products. Oil stands out because it can serve many roles. It functions as fuel, raw material, lubricant, and protective coating. Few substances can do so much. It can also be customized through refining and chemical processes. This allows it to meet specific needs, whether for durability, stability, or performance. Over time, industries have been built around oil, increasing reliance on it. Replacing it often requires major changes to existing systems. Despite its usefulness, the widespread use of oil comes with challenges. Environmental concerns, including pollution and climate change, have prompted a search for alternatives. Renewable energy sources, biodegradable materials, and plant-based substitutes are gaining attention as more sustainable options. However, replacing oil is not straightforward. Its combination of properties is difficult to replicate in a single material. Many alternatives can match one or two aspects of oil's performance, but few can match its overall versatility and efficiency. As technology advances, the role of oil may shift rather than disappear. It could become less dominant in energy production while remaining important in manufacturing and specialized applications. The future of oil will likely involve balancing its benefits with the need for more sustainable practices. Oil is used in so many products because it offers a rare blend of chemical simplicity and practical complexity. Its molecular structure allows it to be transformed into fuels, materials, and protective agents, while its physical properties make it reliable and adaptable. From powering engines to shaping plastics and preserving food, oil has become deeply embedded in modern life. This widespread use is not accidental, but the result of oil's ability to meet a wide range of needs with remarkable efficiency. Even as new technologies emerge, the legacy of oil's versatility ensures that it will remain a significant part of human industry for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.